You can live stream Google Meet on your YouTube channel. Let's see how it's done. Hello everyone. In this video, you're going to see how you can live stream Google Meet in your YouTube channel using a software called OBS. OBS or Open Broadcaster software is a free and open source software for video recording and live streaming to many providers such as YouTube, Twitch, etc. To download this free software, you just need to search for OBS and click on the very first result that appear, obsproject.com. Now, after entering the website, you can click on the version which you want to download. As I'm using Windows, I'm clicking on the Windows version and you can see that a file is being downloaded. After downloading, click on that file and a setup window will appear. Click on Next and Install. After the installation, you can see a new icon on my desktop which is named as OBS Studio. Let's open it and an auto configuration wizard has appeared. So here you can specify for what you are using this program. In my case, I'm using this for streaming and recording as secondary. So I'm choosing this option and then click on Next. Here you can set up the video settings. I'm just clicking on Next. And after that, they will ask for your stream information. So you can select Twitch, YouTube, Facebook Live, Twitter, etc. from the drop down. So as we are going to do the YouTube Live, I'm selecting YouTube and then they will ask for a stream key. So what is this stream key and from where are you going to get the stream key? So all these will be discussed later in this video. For now, let's cancel this. The black canvas you see over here is the space where you can set up your scenes. You can arrange sources according to how you want your audience to see it. You can also see an audio mixer over here. So the first line shows the desktop audio and the second line shows the mic audio. On the left side of audio mixer, you can see sources. You have to select the source which you want to stream in some other platforms. So here we are planning to live stream Google Meet on our YouTube channel. So the source over here is the Google Meet window. To add a source, you need to click on the plus sign over here and then I'm selecting window capture. A pop-up will appear where you can select the window from the drop-down. So here I have already opened Google Meet in a window. Let me join this meeting and then now we can click on OK. Now you can see the Google Meet window on the display canvas over here. You can also adjust the screen according to how you want the audience to see this window. So if you don't want to show some part of this window, you can easily drag that part outside this canvas and that won't be shown. So we have set up the window which we want to stream. Now let's connect YouTube into this streaming software. For that, we need a stream key. Now let's see how you can get that stream key from YouTube. I have opened YouTube in a new tab and here you can see the create icon. Click on it and click on Go Live. So the live streaming option will appear and this is actually for instant live streaming. Let's schedule the streaming for a later date. For that, you can click on the calendar icon on the left side and then you can click on Schedule Stream. Now you can give a title for your live streaming and then you can choose whether it should be public, unlisted or private. And then you can give a description, select the category, select date and time on which you want to schedule this live streaming. And you can also upload a custom thumbnail. This feature is available only if you are scheduling your streaming. So if you upload a thumbnail over here, this thumbnail will be shown when your live is not yet started. After selecting all the options, click on Create Stream and a new stream will be created. Now if you want to edit any of these details, you can click on the edit button. If you just scroll down, you can see the stream key over here. So this is actually the stream key which you have to paste in the OBS software. Now let me copy the stream key to my clipboard and go back to OBS software. Here you need to click on File, click on Settings and go to Stream. Here you will have the option to enter your stream key. Paste the stream key over here and then click on Apply. Once you have clicked on Apply, you can now click on Start Streaming. Let's go back to YouTube, and here the no data signal will change to excellent connection. That means we have successfully connected YouTube and OBS software. So once you are ready to go live, you can click on Go Live button just near to your profile picture, and now you are live. The Google Meet is now shown as a live streaming on YouTube. Once the live is on, you can also see the analytics. You can see the current viewers, chat rate, playbacks, and also if someone is chatting while on live, you can see that over here on the right hand side. So this is how you can live stream your Google Meet on YouTube channel using OBS software. To stop streaming, you can click on Stop Streaming over here and the connection will be lost. You can see that the excellent connection will now change to no data. And to stop the YouTube live, you can click on End Stream button over here. You'll get the recording of the live. You can edit that in Studio and publish it if you wish to. So I hope you all understood how to live stream Google Meet into your YouTube channel using OBS software. Feel free to comment your queries and thank you for watching.